friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie. Today I'm going to do a quick demo on a purple and copper eye. If you would like to see how to achieve this look, then just keep on watching because I am going to show you. So two things. Don't mind my boyfriend. He is playing Red Dead Redemption in the background, and my cat is currently grooming herself next to me. So we just gotta deal with that. So I'm gonna dip into my Ultimate MAC pink and purple palette, and I'm gonna first take this color right here, which is called Yogurt. You can definitely tell that is a shade that I absolutely adore because it is like on its last little bit. And I am just taking this color into the crease, and I'm doing more of a round shape. Normally I do something a little bit more angled and winged out, but today I'm just gonna go for more of a rounder eye shape. So instead of going outwards, I'm just kind of wrapping it around the eye. And I'm using this as my initial transition color because this is going to help all of the darker colors blend just a little bit better. Next, I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush than the one that I just used, and I'm going to dip into this color right here, and this one is called Bright Pink. And again, I'm just taking that color through the crease in a rounder eye shape, kind of going all around the eye. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to blend. And then for a little bit of purple, I am mixing two different colors. I'm mixing Saucy Mist, which is this slightly neon purple right here, and then also flipping to the next palette. Isn't that so cool? I'm going to take this color right here, also Indian ink, and I'm just going to mix the two together. And then of course, blending that out. And I'm taking this color into the crease, and I'm doing the same kind of round shape that I did previously, but I am taking it a little bit deeper into the crease instead of blending it out like I did the last two colors. And then I'm just going to wiggle my little brush in there and kind of buff that purple out. Then I'm going to take this really deep color. It's a purple, but it's almost black. That one is called Shadowy Lady, and I am going to apply this on the outer portion of the lid, not really too much into the crease. I'm going to go in and pat just a little bit of that lighter purple, the Indian ink, kind of more on the center of the lid, right next to where we put the Shadowy Lady, that darker, almost black color. Now that I've got all my purples down, I am going to go in with the MAC Pigment and Copper Sparkle. It's just a gorgeous copper pigment. For it to adhere a little bit better onto my lid, I'm just going to spray it with some Fix Plus. So just spray my little brush, and then I'm going to go in and just kind of carve out the lid. And that's going to look a little something like this. So I applied a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes, and now I'm going to take the Rich Purple Chromographic pencil from MAC. It is just a solid purple pencil, and I'm going to apply this onto the waterline and kind of smudge it on the lower lash line a little bit. On a little pencil brush, I'm going to take the two darker purples that I use, these guys, and I am going to mix those together. I'm going to blend out that purple on the lower lash line. It is going to look a little bit messy until we blend it out, so bear with me here. Then I'm going to mix the Saucy Miss and the bright pink color. I'm just going to mix those two together, and I'm going to blend out the lower lash line. And I'm also taking that yogurt color and I'm just softening everything. For an inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with the color Nylon from MAC, which is that really pretty bright, like almost like a yellow gold color. I'm going to apply that to the inner corner. I'm going to pop on some mascara and lashes. For mascara, I'm using the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. So once I have lashes on, that is pretty much the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, and if you'd like to see more of me, then just hit subscribe. Don't forget to go out and register to vote, and also stay the F home. Thank you all again so much for watching. I will see you on the next video. Bye!